Are you looking to increase your motivation for fitness but aren't sure how? If so, I'm going to give you my number one strategy for increasing motivation for fitness in this video. Make sure to watch it. Hey guys, my name is Dean. Welcome to Manflow Yoga. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you my number one strategy for increasing motivation for fitness. Before I get started, I want to ask you to subscribe to this channel. That way you don't miss out on any of the videos we put out. And if you hit the bell button, you'll also get notifications so you know as soon as new videos are released. I also want to ask you a question. What do you think is holding you back from your motivation? Why do you lack motivation when it comes to working out? If you have an idea or you want to answer, leave it in the comments section below. All right, now let's get into this strategy. This is the number one strategy for increasing motivation for fitness. This is something that you can use not just with yoga, not just with fitness, but with all aspects of your life. And the answer is getting clear on your reasoning for wanting to be more fit in the first place. So what is your why? Why do you want to be more fit? Why is fitness important to you? And to do this, to get to the why, you just want to ask yourself why as many times as you need to until you get to the root answer. So here's what that looks like. If we're talking about why do you want to do Manflow Yoga, I say, why do you want to do Manflow Yoga? And you say, because I want to be more flexible. Why do you want to be more flexible? Because I want to feel better and move better in my body. Okay. Why do you want to feel and why do you want to move better? Because I want to have autonomy over my body. Okay. Well, why do you want to have autonomy over your body? And so we just go back and forth like this. And you can do this on your own. You can do it with a friend. If you have a friend or someone that you really trust, that can be a really good way to do this. But you don't need someone. You can do this on your own. And you basically want to ask yourself why until you get to an answer that is deeply personal, emotional, and leaves you feeling insecure. If the answer that you come to doesn't do that, then you haven't gotten to your real reason or your why for wanting to be more fit. When you come to that answer, you want to then make that answer visible in your daily life. So if that answer is living a longer, healthier life, so I don't have to worry about, so I don't have to worry about leaving my kids behind, or I don't have to worry about, leaving my wife or my husband behind, or I want to avoid being in hospitals, or, my family, let's say that your mother or your father died early and you want to avoid that. So once you get to that answer, you want to write that down somewhere and make it visible. It should be on your phone as the background. You should write it on a board somewhere. You should put it in your workout journal. This should be something that you see and are reminded of on a continual basis. And that's going to help with your motivation. You want to have it visible. You want it to be something that you can always use whenever you're feeling like you need an energy boost, whenever you're feeling like you don't want to do your workout. And then you remember, this is important to me because of my why. So that's how you do that. Now, in order to do this, in order to actually come to your why, I recommend you set aside 10 to 20 minutes, as long as it takes. Write all this out. Don't just do it passively. Don't do it with the TV on. Don't do it while you're, sitting at the office. I want you to take some time, go out into nature if you can, eliminate distractions, and totally immerse yourself in this activity. Get to your why, get to that emotional reason why you want to be more fit. And again, write it out and be as clear as you possibly can. And that is my number one strategy for increasing motivation for fitness. I highly recommend you do that. If not today, sometime this weekend, whenever you have a few minutes, make it an important event. But I can promise you that if you do this and if you keep that reasoning close to you, you are going to be way more successful with your fitness. You're going to be more consistent with your workouts. You'll have more discipline. You'll have more motivation to work out. And ultimately, you're going to get better results. So I'd love for you to try this out. If you have your why already, leave it in the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe. I'd love to see you again on one of these videos soon. And that's it. So guys, thanks for watching. And again, I'll see you on another video. Take care.